Hello students, let's do question number 4 of exercise 12.2. A chord of a circle, radius 10 centimeters, subtend a right angle at the center. We have a circle and we have a chord. Let AB be a chord. What is a chord, bachche? A line segment which touches a circle at 2 points. The radius of the circle is 10 centimeters and the chord is subtending an angle of 90 degree. Right angle is 90 degree. Let O is the center. This chord AB is subtending an angle 90 degree at the center. What we have to find? First we have to find the area of minor segment, and second is area of major sector. Value of pi is given 3.14. In case it is given that pi should be taken as 3.14, you have to take it. Otherwise, marks will get deducted. Now, bache, first is area of segment. What is area of segment? What is the segment? This is the segment. Let it is point P. How will we find area of segment? Area of minor segment. APB is minor segment. Let it is point Q. AQB will be major segment. How will we get area of minor segment? What will we do? First we will take out area of minor sector. AOBP. We will find out the area of minor sector, and from this we will subtract area of triangle AOB. Clear? Now, what is the area of minor sector? Area of minor sector is what is the area of sector? Theta upon 360 into pi r square. Theta upon 360 into pi r square. What is theta? 90 degree. 90 by 360 into 3.14 into radius is given 10 centimeters. 10 into 10. 9 fours are 3.14 into 10 into 10. We have to multiply with 2 zeros. It is 314 by 4. 3 sevens are 28. 78.5 centimeter square is the area of minor sector. Now what we will find? Area of triangle AOB. It is a right angle triangle. Bachche, if it is a right angle triangle OAB, what is the area of a right angle triangle? Half into base into height. The area of AOB is half into OA into OB. That is 1 by 2 into 10 into 10. That is 50 centimeter square. Now, what will be the area of minor segment? Area of minor segment will be area of sector, that was 78.5 minus 50, that is 28.5 centimeter square is the area of minor segment. Clear? First part we have done. Next is, what is the area of major sector? Bache, pause the video and note it down. I am rubbing it from here. Now, what we have to find, bache? Area of major sector. What is the area of major sector? Which is area of major sector? OAQB is our major sector. This one. We have to find the area of this portion. Area of major sector will be, what we have to do? First we will take the area of circle, and from that we can subtract area of minor circle. We will get area of major sector. Area of major sector is area of circle minus area of minor sector. What is area of circle? Pi r square, 3.14 into 10 into 10. Area of circle is pi r square minus area of minor sector is 78.5. That is 314 minus 78.5. What do we get? 235.5 centimeter square is the area of major sector. Clear बच्चे?